Have you ever held something in your hands that felt like it carried the soul of the earth? Something simple yet so simply crafted, you could almost hear the whispers of nature in its fibers. That is the magic of jute craft and magical floors and beautiful ornaments, red balls, green leaves, and beautiful colors of papers. X-Mix tree. This is what the magic of trees. Today I want to take you on a journey not just into the art of making things from beautiful flowers, leaves, not just into the art of making things from jute, but onto the heart of why it matters, why it's worth your time, and how it can change the way you see creativity itself. The beauty of trees, respective gentle tone, respective. Trees cut a golden fiber is ground from the soil, drinks the rain, basks in the sun. The end becomes a soft yet sturdy thread in the hands of an artist. It's sustainable, eco-friendly, and full of rustic charm when we work with beautiful art. It's sustainable, eco-friendly, and full of rustic charm. When we work with these type of things, we are not just making a product, we are weaving the story of nature into the something we can touch, use, and cherish. From baskets to wall hanging, from rugs to plant holder, jute transform into your whatever your imagination dares to create. You see, craft is never just about the final piece, it's about you, your patience, your creativity, your willingness to see beauty where others see just a rope. Make your home very welcoming, cozy look in this season. You can make it. You can make it with your effort, with your love for your family. Every knot you tie, every twist you make is a small step of transformation. Just like life, every little effort builds into something meaningful. In the quiet moment of crafting, you will feel your mind slow down, your thoughts clear, your hands move with purpose. You will discover the joy of creating something real, something that didn't exist until you made it. And here's a beautiful part of your home, cozy fireplace. For many communities, it's a source of livelihood. It helps women, artisans, and families sustain themselves while